Hey, good morning. Welcome to TRG's Enterprise Mobility Center. I'm Mike Barker, our Senior Director of Operations for our Configuration and Deployment facility, and I wanted to spend a few moments to tell you a little bit about our facility, capabilities, and kind of a day in the life of what we do here at TRG. So, first stop on the tour here is our Shipping and Receiving Department. All assets that come in for any of our project work make a first stop here in our Shipping and Receiving Department so they can get checked into our ERP system. As part of that process, we're going to validate that we have the right equipment, the right quantity of equipment, and apply a TRG asset tag that will follow that device on the life of its journey throughout TRG. This is very important so we can maintain accurate inventory records and provide that reporting directly to our customers in a real-time basis, as we have business going on with them. If you want to follow me, I just want to show you around the facility a little bit, point out a few of the features, and eventually wind up in our deployment area. So as we migrate from the shipping and receiving area, you'll notice all of the inventory that we have in our facility. So basically we have inventory here that supports our refurbishment services as well as our new device configuration services. Overall, the facility is about 65,000 square feet and dedicated to performing those services that I mentioned, typically around refurbishment as well as device configuration. And as we make our way through to our deployment area, the next area we're going to visit is where all of the technical configuration work takes place on all of our devices. So we have capacity here to configure well over 1,000 devices at a time, and typically we'll roll out projects ranging from a few hundred to over 10,000 devices for our customers. All of the work that we have in our work in progress queue here has been coded by customer and project assignments, so jobs here are waiting to be picked and pulled and brought into production on, by the next available technician. All righty. And then as you'll see here, within our deployment center, we have full capabilities to configure any sort of device that a customer may need. These can range from small handheld tablet devices to ruggedized devices that may be used in a warehouse environment, as well as any sort of laptop or desktop that a customer may need. Each one of our workbenches, as you see, is outfitted with the appropriate connections, power and data connections to support any sort of device type configuration. Our process is, as we mentioned earlier, is really led off by that first article build, right? So as we engage a new customer, we understand their requirements, we document them, we work with the client to make sure we have everything documented properly, and then we'll apply it here on the bench. Each device is then configured, and we have a second technician that will come through and do quality control on those devices just to ensure that we're getting everything shipped out and configured appropriately for our customers. Again, high-level overview, any of the services that we can support here include and range from asset tagging devices, labeling devices, any custom kitting requirements, as well as MDM enrollment, software configuration, and pretty much any technical process that we can work out with our customers and can be applied to their devices. So, what we like to pride ourselves here on is our flexibility, the ability to work and have projects going for a number of different clients at any given time. And the capability to kind of pivot as our customers' needs change. We can stop, pivot, and work with them to achieve their ultimate goal of getting their devices configured and roll out to their fleet upgrade or new store opening. And I believe the next stop on our tour will be to step over to our showcase, where you're going to meet with Justin Keys and have a look at some of the devices that we have on display here from our showcase.
Welcome to TRG's Technology Showcase. I'm Justin Keys, TRG's Technical Solutions Specialist. We have a number of different products and technologies that we showcase and support here. The purpose of our showcase is to give customers that hands-on approach to come and feel and see and demo and explore these products live in person. Some of the technology that we support are lockers for maintaining mobile fleets or different other operations. We support barcode scanners and a wide array of mobile payment devices. There are several mobile setups that we can provide and support. as well as your stationary all-in-one cash registers. Along with everything we support in store, we support the back of the warehouse. So everything from vehicle-mounted computers to rugged handhelds, mostly Android devices, as well as we do support legacy devices. One of our MDM partners, as we do support a number of them, is SOTI Mobile Control. And some of these devices on this wall are actually connected to that. So in here is TRG's restaurant approach to technology. So we support everything from digital signage to mobile solutions, kiosk solutions for those touch to order your own fast food, as well as all of the printers for different reasons, like labeling stuff and printing receipts. Along with all of that, we obviously have a wide array of partners that sell all kinds of different cash registers and cash wrap setups that we can help support and deploy for you. So over here, we've laid out all the devices that you guys have been talking about today in your chats, and if you guys have the opportunity to come, we'd love to have you do that hands-on approach. And with that, I'll hand it back off to Brett.